Girl, you're my chamacachalo. Where you go, girl, I'm gonna follow. What you want, girl, just let me know. You can be my chamacachalo. Shawty, I'm gonna get ya. You know I'm gonna get ya. You know I'll even let you be my chamacachalo. Kaisa sharmana aaja nachte dikhane. Ameri hole aaja pari da girane. Ameri yakkiyon se yakkiyon milane. Apna nakhre dikha. Wanna be my chamacachalo. Wanna be my chamacachalo. Wanna be my chamacachalo. Wanna be my chamacachalo. तू मेरी chamacachalo. तेरी पिक्चर का मैं हीरो.
Please give a warm UK welcome to quite possibly the biggest Bollywood actor we have on this planet. Ladies and gents, boys and girls, guys and girls, make some noise for the one and only Shah Rukh Khan!
Let me begin with the last film that I did, Jab Tak Hai Jaan. I hope you guys watched it. And sort of, it was a bit long. I didn't mind it. I had two beautiful girls, so I didn't mind it being a little long. But so I'll say a dialogue from that one because I like it. It's Mr. Yash Chopra's last film, so I'll start with that. I hope you enjoyed. तेरी आंखों की नमकीन मस्तियाँ. Thank you. तेरी आंखों की नमकीन मस्तियाँ, तेरी हंसी की बेपरवाह गुस्ताखियाँ, तेरे जुल्फों की लहराती अंगड़ाइयाँ, नहीं भूलूंगा मैं जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान. तेरा हाथ से हाथ छोड़ना, तेरे सायों का रुख मोड़ना, तेरा पलट के फिर ना देखना, नहीं माफ करूंगा मैं जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान. Alright, so I do a few dialogues on request if you guys want, and chat with you and figure out if there's anything you want to know. And let me say at the beginning, because when I was backstage, Shehzad very sweetly told me a lot of parents are here with little children and they listen to me, which is unlike my children. So all the younger kids here, listen to your parents, love them, study hard, work hard, and do everything they tell you. That's a good thing to do, okay? So now that I've given off my lecture to you kids, now we'll just enjoy and have fun, alright? Yeah. Shehzad is very sweet. He's telling me, all the kids are there. Make sure you say good things. So no dirty jokes. I'm not going to be too naughty. I'll be straightforward, simple, and try to behave myself and not be ill-mannered. So if there's anyone who'd like to ask me a question or if there's a request, I'll wait for it.
Who wants to ask Shah Rukh a question?
The 3 microphones, I'm told, they're right up to the back there. So everyone at the back, if you guys can't see me properly, I'll be talking to you if you want me to speak louder or something. So can we have the microphone to the first person who'd like to ask you something or get to know? There's a microphone there, yeah. So we'll start with this, yeah. And I request the gentlemen who are holding the microphone for the guys in the back, if they announce themselves, we've got a question from the back. I don't want the guys in the back to feel bad. Yes, ma'am. Can we have the mic on or the microphone on?
We can leave Gordy for me!
Sorry, I can make
Next question.
Please say your name and
Hi, my name's Anjam.
Yes, darling, please get up. I can see you better then. Yeah. Give her the mic, it's alright. Let her hold the mic, she's not gonna run away with it. So, when you get the microphone, the rule is don't run away with it. Return it back to the guy who's handing it to you, okay? Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God. The next movie. She's confused.
You confused who I am, or you want to ask someone else? I'm sorry.
Can my niece start a star in your next movie?
Sorry, darling, say it louder. Speak in the mic.
Star in your next movie. Can my niece star in your next movie?
Can your niece star in my next movie?
My niece.
I normally take girls fully. I mean, right from the toes to the head. But yeah, if you just want your niece there, yeah, we can do that.
Say yes or no.
Yeah, she can, most certainly. Please send her over to Mumbai, we'll work it out. There was a lady asking a question here.
Hi. My name is Steffi and I'm from Sweden.
Hi, darling. What's your name? Say it again.
Steffi. Steffi, short for Stephanie.
Stephanie, yeah, okay.
Yeah. I want to ask you, or
Will you speak in the mic, Stephanie? Yeah.
I want to ask you, can you please tell us something about you that we already don't know? And one moment, I just want to tell you that you're like God for me and I love you. And if I ever get married, I hope my husband will be like you. Otherwise, I don't want a husband. You're the best. You're the best.
All right. Thank you, Stephanie.
My name is Zara.
One second, listen guys, with the microphone. So somebody asks a question, I'm to answer them and then pass on the microphone, yeah? Okay. All right, Stephanie, thank you very much. That's very kind, yeah, but I don't know what I can tell you about me that you already, I don't know what all do you know about me. Or you know everything about me, then there's nothing more to tell. You know me inside out, and if you know me inside out, I would be the last guy you'd want to marry really, actually.
Zara.
Yes, ma'am?
The last time I came to see you in Manchester, I got pushed over and I got a fracture in 2 places of my arm. So could I go on stage and dance with you to Gangnam Style?
Say it again, darling. Sorry, I didn't understand what you said.
The last time I came to see you in Manchester, I broke my arm in 2 places because I got pushed over and I had a cast from September to December. So can I dance with you on stage to Gangnam Style?
Oh, okay. Yeah, but I mean, is that the
Really?
price I have to pay because you got pushed around, right?
Yeah.
You're using emotional blackmail with me, and yeah. The next thing I know, you will sue me for coming to Manchester. No, I'll do it with you. But I don't know how to dance the Gangnam Style.
You have to listen. Go on. Just give her one chance. She had 2 fractures, bad fractures.
No, please don't keep saying it. It's scary. She's got 2 fractures. Dance with her. Oh, yeah. I dance gently with her just in case it happens again. Yeah, so, but I do it with you, darling. What's your name? Okay, so you be here, and I know where you are. I'll call you when I start the dance.
Okay, Cheryl, we're going to the back of the hall now.
Yeah,
Let's go
please.
right to the back.
Right at the back, guys. Yeah.
Oh my God. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, hello. I can hear you. Where are you calling from, ma'am?
Hello.
Hello, Shahu. My name is Samira.
Okay, so we'll take Sumera's question first, and then come down to you, ma'am. Yes, Sumera.
Can you say a few dialogues from one of your Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, please?
Yes,
to
where
us?
are you,
Nobody
Sumera?
else can hear. Over here.
No one.
Can you see me?
I can
Over
see.
here.
I can see a lot of hands. What are you wearing, Sumera? Oh, okay, I got you now. Yeah, okay.
Please, I
All
love
right.
you, I love you.
Okay, from Dilwale. I just remember one from Dilwale right now. बड़े बड़े शहरों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं सभी। And that new one from कुछ कुछ होता है. I know people like that one. हम एक बार जीते हैं, हम एक बार मरते हैं. शादी भी एक बार होती है और प्यार तुम नहीं समझोगी अंजलि, कुछ कुछ होता है. Yes, sir. Where you?
Excuse me, Sharu.
One mic at a time so that I get confused, sorry. Where's the gentleman speaking from? If you just raise your hand, please. Where's the gentleman speaking from?
Roman.
The gentleman?
Muscat, Oman.
Lady wants to speak to you.
Oh, okay.
Excuse me, Shadow. I speak just a little English.
So do I, don't worry, darling. It's
I
fine.
come to France just for my children in France. Dédicace for a picture, love Rawan and G1 films, games. For my children's dédicace, please.
Okay, I'm sorry.
My children say.
So I'm sorry, I understand you speak less. Can you say it again? That's how
Excuse me, sorry.
Okay, whatever you're saying, I'm doing it, alright? So,
Hi Sharon, she's come all the way.
she's come all the way from France.
And she's got a picture of her kids who are posing in front of a TV playing Raw One.
Oh,
And
okay.
She wants to hand it to you.
Alright, will you give it to the gentleman? I'll take it from him. Thank you so much. And voulez-vous and stuff. So thanks.
Shadow! Here. Hi, Shadow.
Okay, give me okay, one microphone at a time, guys. Yeah. Okay, so I'll just take your question, ma'am.
Yeah. Hi, Shadow. I came all the way from Oman to see you.
Thank you very much.
I'm so in love with you. And the first time I saw you, I was 10. With my uncle.
That make me feel very, very old right now, right? Yeah. So don't say that. Say you saw me first time when you were 27.
Oh, yes,
Okay.
I was.
That's between you and me.
I love you so much that I really want to get married to someone like you, just like Stephanie. And I guess all of the girls here, they want the same thing too.
I've only come to Birmingham to get married, darling. So that's all I come here to do.
I will definitely get married to you, but I don't want to upset Gauri. I will not upset Gauri. She is also in my
You know,
heart as well.
looking at the choices, she already must be upset. She must have let me come back now.
Sharon, thank you very much.
Thank you
I'm
so
gonna
much.
give
Darling, you didn't tell me your
everything
name.
to Sir, my name is Tawhida. Tawhida.
Toshida.
No, Tawhida.
Tohida. Okay, thank you, Tohida. God bless you. Thank you very much.
Hi.
Where are you?
Hi. My name is Anissa.
Hi,
and
Anissa.
I'd just like to let you know I'm a great fan because of my auntie here.
Thank you.
Me and her always used to watch Kuch Kuch Hota Hai and we're a massive fan. I would like to know what is your favourite film and why, out of all the ones you've acted in.
Normally my favorite film, Auntie, and
Auntie number 2, Rumessa.
say her name again, darling. Anisha. Okay.
Just one more.
Okay, the three of you. Yeah, the favorite film normally is the one that I'm going to do next because I just move on after having done the last one. Thank you, Francie. But I enjoyed doing. I don't know, Chak De was nice. I thought Dilwale was very good. I thought Kuch Kuch Hota Hai was fun. Dawn, I like Dawn. I like the dialogues from Dawn. So I'll do one for the three of you. All right. Dawn का इंतजार तो 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस Dawn का इंतजार तो 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है सर लेकिन Dawn को पकड़ना मुश्किल नहीं नामुमकिन Thank you girls, thank you for liking me so much. Thank you very much.
Hi, Sharon.
Anyone else? Where? Which side?
Hi.
I got you. Say your name, darling.
I'm Hina. My name is Hina.
And what do you do, Hina?
I work in, I worship you.
Okay, that's the best
I'm
job
joking,
there.
I'm joking. I don't do that. I respect
Oh,
you.
now I'm depressed now.
No, there's only one.
Come on,
We all know
Hina.
that.
Okay, do it once a week, please.
Yeah, maybe once a week.
Okay, once a week. Thank you.
Only so you've come all the way to Spark Hill, which is a really big deal. Everyone will tell you.
Okay. And why is that so?
Ask someone, you'll find out. Amitabh Bachchan came, and what happened to him?
I'm sorry, I'll
You
ask
don't know.
you.
Yeah, ask him what happened. But anyway, thank you for coming.
Are you scaring me?